Is your significant other a car or truck guy? Are you unsure what to get him for Christmas this year? What are you doing?
Snow broom.
That's better. Don't get them something generic this season. Stop in, talk to us, and get them something worth it that's gonna make a perfect gift. Don't forget to stop in this season too and grab a t-shirt for turn 4. We're giving away a set of coilovers from ISC, which is pretty rad. And on Black Friday, we're gonna give double entries. Yo, where's the coilovers? Perfect. So stop in this holiday season to turn 4 Automotive and Performance and let us help you pick out the perfect holiday gift.
In all seriousness though,
Come in and support your local speed shop.
We give you the best deals on over 500 brands of performance parts and service.
This guy. Yo, where's the coilovers?
Too soon.
What's up? I'm gonna walk backwards with my swagger. Alright. Yo, where's the toothpaste? Where's the spike head nugget?
Wiper blades.
Wiper blades.
Floor mat. Snow tire.
Snow tire. What even is a good Christmas gift?
Beer.
Beer.
Mud flap.
Mud flap. Mud flap.
Downpipe is a good one. Intake would be a really good one.
Helmet.
Helmet. Helmet.